While the case against senior SAPS intelligence officials resumes in the Pretoria Regional Court today, 7 officials were arrested in June on charges of fraud and corruption. 6 were later released on bail, but today 4 of the officials are back in court seeking amendments to their bail conditions. Ziniko Mhlaba joins us now with an update. Ziniko, just to sketch again the context for us and what we're expecting to unfold today. Good morning.
A very good morning to you, Emmanuel. You will remember that a dramatic arrest of senior intelligence officers back in June, which included the head of the intelligence unit within the South African Police Service, Mr. Dumisani Khumalo, alongside Mr. Mashood, who is the chief financial officer, and many other top officials of the intelligence unit within the South African Police Service. They were arrested in June, appeared in court, and made their first appearances in the same month in June. However, they were released on bail except one who had a pending case which included a murder charge. So that one individual was not released on bail, whereas 6 were later released on bail. So last week, they all appeared before the regional court here in Tshwane, and of course their appearance was for the declaration of the witnesses who will be called and used by the state, so that the defense lawyers can be aware and know who those witnesses were. However, during the proceedings, there was an intention that was communicated that out of the 6 accused who were released on bail, 4 of those are seeking or were intending to seek to have their bail conditions amended here at the court, but because of the legalities which the state was not ready for, that hearing was then postponed to today. So what we can expect today is legal representatives of 4 of those 6 accused to really then table their arguments in the full view of the magistrate in a formal hearing, so that they can really state what is it that they want changed in their bail hearings. We understand, but unofficially, that some of them, including Mr. Khumalo himself, Mr. Mhlaba, who is said to have been appointed illegally without following proper procedures of appointing officials in the intelligence unit. All the 4 of them, that's Mr. Khumalo, Mhlaba, Likalaka, and Mr. Madondo, those 4 are then seeking to have their bail conditions amended. So they will be arguing and presenting to the magistrate what is it that they want change, and some of them are said to be seeking to be returning to work. However, we are expecting the state to oppose those amendments, because they are stating that their key witnesses are still working within the intelligence unit. So it's going to be difficult then for the accused not to interfere with the investigations. As you know, that the state has been saying that it is ready, it has concluded its own investigations, therefore they are ready to go on trial. So having these 4 individuals returning to work might compromise those witnesses and also their safety as well. Remember that when they were initially released on bail, the magistrate did say that he is concerned about allowing these 4 individuals to be released on bail, especially if they are going to be going to work, because some of those witnesses might be vulnerable when it comes to their safety. So today, Imad, is all about hearing why these 4 want their bail conditions amended and what arguments they'll be tabling before the court.